Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add bulletins or numbering on Google Docs. So for that, we just need to open Google Docs. Opening it for adding the bullets or the numbering. Here on the top, you can see menu options, and here is an option. You can see here format. Click on that. And from here is an option. You can see here bullets and numbering in that section. And from here, you can just choose that option that you wanted. And after that, you can see that you have been added bulletins on bullets or numbering on Google Docs. So this is how you can add bullets or numbering on Google Docs. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.